Hey guys, Ali from ALTA WORX. How are you? Hope you're having a great day, y'all. Hey, this is an instructional video on how to install this retractable straps with the ALTA WORX bike stand. We do not recommend you drive with this setup, but this is great if you have the table installed. You're at location, you got the table out, and you need the straps and you want to work on bikes, which just makes sense. First thing you do is you back out the nylock nut on the retractable strap, just a touch, is about 1/16 or 1/8, it doesn't really matter, and so this can freely spin so you can get it threaded on. Next, grab your 9/16 wrench or your ratchet, actually, which is better, and get these nice and aligned here. Once I get this aligned, I am going to just barely get that thread rolling. Once I know it caught, then I could raise this up and get it nice and straight. And you keep going, and it's gonna hit right there against the work stand. It's still like a little play there, right? So you just keep turning it until it's locked. And that will lock basically your retractable straps to the ALTA WORX bike stand, to the top bar. You can also take a wrench and turn this about quarter turn so it's pressing against the ALTA WORX stand, and that will lock that ALTA WORX stand and give you more free play on the strap. So if you have the position perfect where you want it, great. If not, turn this, basically you're loosening the nut, but it's pushing against the works and it'll lock that in. So this is basically a setup. You can set this up on either direction. For the table, it will go forward. For the vehicle, it will go towards the vehicle. Hope this was an instructional video. Now you know how to put these two together. As usual, as always, we want to have a fully integrated system that everything works together and nothing interferes. Thank you very much for watching this video, and have a great day, y'all.